Okay, in problem number 9, we've got this curve and it crosses the x-axis at the points 0, 0, 5, 0, and 3, 0. So let's take a look at this and kind of visualize what's going on. You see how it's going to hit the points at those, like they say, A and B. They say they have two tangent lines at this point and at that point, and they intersect. And you can see how that's going to happen. So we've got to find the equations of those two tangent lines, and then we've got to find out where they intersect. So basically the first step is we're going to have to rewrite this function so it's got powers, so we can use the power rule. And all I'm going to do is multiply it. Now when I find the derivative, I'm going to use the power rule by bringing down the 3 and multiplying it and reducing the exponent by 1. And that gives me this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my derivative and I'm going to find the tangent line slope and then the equation at point A. So the first step is I'm going to take the derivative and I'm going to substitute in the x value of 3, because that's the point that we're talking about, and I find out the slope is going to be -6. Now I need to find the equation of the line at that point that's tangent. So I'm going to use y equals mx plus b and substitute the x on the y, and I'm going to find out that the tangent equation is going to be y equals -6x plus 18. Now I'm going to do the tangent line at point B, which is 5, 0. So now I'm going to take the same derivative that I used before and enter in this point 5, or x equals 5, and find out that the slope at that point is going to be 10. And so now I'm going to find the equation of that tangent line using the slope and the point by substituting in the x and the y into y equals mx plus b, giving me a y-intercept of -50. So now I've got two equations, one for tangent line A and one tangent line B. Point C is where these two lines intersect, so I'm going to solve them simultaneously. Luckily they both equal y already, so I'm just going to make the other rule parts equal to each other. And then all I've got to do now is solve for x to find the x value of point C. And I find out that x is equal to 4.25, and then I'm going to substitute in my 4.25 into one of the equations. It doesn't make a difference which one. And I'm going to find out that the y value is going to be -7.5. And that's the answer. So, thanks for watching. I hope that helped.